Okay, today I'm cooking garlic chicken. Well, the Thai name is Gratian Gai. Okay, first again, we chop up our skinless chicken breast. The magic of fast forward, this will be done in about 3 seconds. Alright, besides chicken, we have chicken stock, pepper, pre-cooked garlic, soy sauce, and again oyster sauce. Seems to be the staple of all Thai cooking. Right, I've already got the oil on. We'll do is throw the chicken straight in there. Put our garlic in. I've got a lot of garlic because this is garlic and pepper chicken. Bit of black pepper. Some soft powder. Now, I'm going to do my usual trick. Throw a little water in there. And some of the sauces. Soy sauce. And again, oyster sauce. Oh, excuse me. Some pepper. Okay. Turn the heat up on that one. I'll let it steam in the sauces and the spices. We'll come back in about 5 minutes. Right, it's been about 5 minutes. I took the lid off, let the water steam out, and deliver a thicker gravy. I've already stirred up some rice in my bucket. I'm going out for a bit, taking my food with me. There we go. Garlic and pepper chicken. Gratian Gai. Easy. Just another way to eat chicken. It's not boring.